This is your technical update from the LMAX Exchange Research and Analytics Desk for Friday, December 26, 2014. Euro dollar. So the euro remains under pressure with the focus now on the 2012 base at 120.40, ultimately only back above the 50-day moving average would compromise the current downtrend. Cable. Cable remains locked within a consolidation over the past several sessions, although the market has recently broken down to a fresh 2014 low. The break does suggest that the market could be poised for a fresh downside extension towards the 152.50 area over the coming days. Ultimately, only back above 158.26 would compromise the bearish outlook. Dollar yen. Dollar yen has recently recovered outside of recent lows in the 115.50 area, with the higher low now potentially sought out to be confirmed on a break back above the recent 7-year high at 121.85. Above 121.85 would confirm the higher low at 115.55 and open the door for the next major upside extension towards the 125 area. Ultimately, only back below 115.50, 115.55 would compromise the bullish outlook. Euro Swiss. Euro Swiss is trading back down towards 120 after the market had recently broken above key resistance at 120.45 but could not hold above the level. Inability to hold above the level will continue to put the pressure on that 120 barrier, while a close back above 120.45 is required to confirm some form of basing and encourage the bullish recovery prospect. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is in the process of attempting to correct a little bit off of recent lows, although the market remains locked within an intense downtrend and is expected to test the next major barrier at 80 over the coming days. Ultimately, the 10-day moving average should continue to cap gains, while only back above 85.40 on a medium-term basis would compromise the bearish outlook. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD remains locked in a consolidation over the past several sessions after consolidating recent gains by fresh yearly highs, with the market now poised for a fresh upside extension towards the 17.50 area over the coming days. Ultimately, any setback should be very well supported by previous resistance now turned support at 114.65, with the market expected to continue to trade higher. Only below the 113 area would compromise the bullish outlook. Kiwi dollar. Kiwi has mostly been locked over the past several weeks in the bearish consolidation, although the market is expected to trade to the downside, with the break back below 76 to open the door for a measured move downside extension towards 72. Ultimately, only back above the consolidation high at 80.35 would compromise the bearish outlook. SPX 500. The S&P 500 continues to track by record highs, with the market now focused on the next key major barrier at 2100. Ultimately, only back below recent lows at 2010 would compromise the current bullish outlook. Gold. Gold remains locked between key ranges at 1256 and 1131 respectively. 1131 represents a 4-year low, while 1256 is a recent medium-term lower top. A break back above 1256 would be required to compromise the current bearish outlook, while inability to take out 1256 will keep the pressure and the focus on 1131 and a potential break towards the 1000 barrier. That's all for today.